Programming ABC. Now I am telling about basic keyword of Visual Basic .NET module sub. Here these are keyword of Visual Basic. All keyword of Visual Basic are following word of Visual Basic .NET keywords: @handler, address of, Alice, and also as, boolean, by reference, by ref, byte, by val, call, case, catch, cbool, cbyte, char, cchar, cdec, cdec, decimal, cdouble, db, char, cint, csng, cstring, ctype, cuint, integer, cu long, lnc, cu short, date, decimal, declare, default, delegate, dim, most usable, dim, direct cast, do, double, is, else, if else, most usable, int, if, enum, erase, error, and also this